Ladies and gentlemen, I'm a construction worker, but I like to go to outer space too, darling. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. 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 Marco, you want to go to outer space? Sure thing, buddy. You're totally Looney Tunes, darling. Darling. I can't even speak, darling. You're totally Looney Tunes, Marco. You're not going to outer space. You're going to intergalactic planetary space, darling. I am not going to intergalactic planetary space, darling. That's where you're wrong. Alright, Marco. Outer space, give me a break, darling. Alright, well, anyways, I have no time for games, alright? I'm going to outer space whether you like it or not, buddy. Sure thing, buddy, sure thing. Tell me when you get there. Or probably you won't be able to because you'll be in outer space and it's long distance calling, darling. Alright, bye guys, thank you.